If you watch this video till the end, you'll know exactly what you can do to make a killer impression. It starts with number 1, your state. Every battle is won or lost before it is ever fought. If you beat yourself up before you even start a conversation, then the chances that the conversation will go smoothly and make a good impression are slim. Therefore, be alert of what you think before you start a conversation, and make sure you're having positive thoughts about the person and yourself. Believe before the conversation that it is going to be successful, and that will impact your state of mind, your body language, and the impression you give immediately. The other person will get a positive impression of you. Start with this mindset and you'll feel on top of the mountain, totally in control of the situation. Number 2, make eye contact. The best way to create a powerful impression with the person is to make eye contact. If you look away, you're not showing your confidence or eagerness to be involved in the conversation. When you look at them and make eye contact, you show your confidence. The best rule to follow on how long you should make eye contact is that you should mirror them. So if they look at you, look at them. If they break away, then you break away. Number 3, smile. The more you smile, the more pleasant you are to speak with. If I speak to you like this without smiling and I just talk with you like this throughout the whole conversation, you're going to doubt whether I'm interested to have a conversation with you. You don't necessarily need to smile the whole time, you can grin. But know that if you want to make a positive killer impression, you have to make sure that you are pleasant to engage with. Because if you think about it, you want to surround yourself only with people that are enjoyable to be with. And that's the same for everyone else. Number 4, speak with certainty. If you haven't gotten the memo, using filler words doesn't help you create a killer impression. So practice using filler words in your communication. A video that can help you speak with more certainty is how to speak with authority and confidence. I'll add it to the cards up above. Number 5, actively listen. If you want to make a killer impression, be fully engaged in the conversation and show your interest in what they have to say. Because if not, they're not going to be impressed. We all enjoy getting attention, so use it to your advantage to make an extraordinary killer impression. I've made 3 other videos that can help you improve your listening skills. I'll have them in a playlist in the description below. And because you made it this far, I'm going to give you a bonus killer move. Mirror. It is scientifically proven that when you mirror the other person as much as possible, unconsciously, you make the other person feel that you're like them. They will enjoy the conversation with you and you'll create a strong, memorable impression. Apply what you learned. Now this is your chance to smash the like button, subscribe button, click the notification bell, or you'll miss out on life-changing content. Make sure to check out this video because it is your next step to becoming a master communicator.